Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. It's an announcement video. So November is my birthday month and I am turning the big 6-0. Yikes. And I just can't even believe it. I just don't even feel that old. And also, I've been on YouTube 6 years now, so I thought it would be fun to do a little birthday challenge. So, Alyssa over at Crafting to Cope is the one who kind of gave me this idea. So, I reached out to her and asked her if it would be okay if I kind of used her idea, and she actually said, "Oh, yes, please do it." And she said that several other channels have done the same thing. So she loves kind of sharing that. So I'm really excited to do this. So to enter my birthday challenge, you need to send me an artist trading card, an ATC, or if you just want to send me a card, either way, with your information, your birthday, your address, your socials, and your crafty likes. And then the second thing to send is a crafter's choice. So you can send me something you love or something you love to make. So if you want to keep it, flat mail, maybe you do an ATC card and then make me a card or make me some tags, whatever it is you like to do. Or if you like to sew or crochet, whatever it is you would like to send me, that would be fabulous. And I would like you to be a visible subscriber on YouTube, and you must be 18 years or older. And I'm going to have the entries go all the way. They have to be postmarked by December 31st, 2025. So that way, that'll give you plenty of time. You don't feel rushed to get your entry into me. And I just want to do this as a way to say thank you to you guys and to get to know you all even more. I just love this community that we're building here on YouTube, our junk journal and crafty community. And I just thought this would be a fun thing to do. And I love celebrating. We should celebrate our birthdays. Don't try to ignore them. So the prizes are going to be, there's going to be two prizes. The first prize is a $75 PayPal or an e-gift card of choice. And then second place is a $50 PayPal or e-gift card of choice. So the winners can choose what they want. And then you want to send the entries into me, and I have my P.O. box information down here, and I'll have it down in the description box as well. And if you would want to drop me a note, you can either leave a comment on this video, or you can message me over on Instagram, or you can send me an email. I have my email address down below. Let me know you've sent something, so I'll go check my P.O. box. I'll check it on the regular, but if you just want to send me a note, then I'll know something is coming. So it is open to international, and that's the other reason for having the entries go till postmarked on December 31st, because that gives international hopefully enough time for it to get in here. And really, it doesn't have to be anything big. You can do flat mail if you want, however you want to do it. But I just love to get to know you a little bit better. Let's see. I think that is all the details. And what I'll do is each entry, I'll do a little video and share the entry that I received, the ATC card. I won't share any of the personal information. And then the crafter's choice, I'll share that as well. And so if you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram or TikTok channel you'd like me to highlight, feel free to mention that in the entry that you send me. So I'm really excited to have you all help celebrate my birthday with me. And it'll be a lot of fun and a fun way to get to know each one of us a little bit better. And I think that is everything. So I'm really excited. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you all so much for listening. And I hope to get a little entry from you. All right. Bye.